Hello everyone, I'm Ranjan Kumar Swaikya. Today I'm here in Meghalaya and as you can see, मेरे साथ है Zoidip Gupta sir, who is involved in co-chairman of FICCI Assam and also she is connected in tourism. सर कैसा हाल साल?
बढ़िया, थैंक यू सो मच।
सर देखिए अभी नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंटीग्रेशन रैली 2026 में सारे लोगों का मैंने लिया है, सबने अलग अलग तरीके से अपने या अपने बातों को पहचाया है। आप अपनी तरीके से क्या बोलना चाहेंगे?
देखिए इंटीग्रेशन रैली, नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंटीग्रेशन रैली जो एक्चुअली जनवरी 4 टू फरवरी 4 होने जा रहा है,
जी जी सर,
दिस इज यूनिक इन नेचर इन द सेंस कि बेसिकली इट्स इफ यू लुक एट इट नॉर्मली व्हाट इज हैपन whenever we do a car rally or a bike rally, it's a very short duration rally and this is mostly basically as a competition or a exploration kind of this thing. Here it is more of an integration where we are taking one whole month, January 4th to February 4th, where it will start from Calcutta. The basic idea is to integrate the mainstream India with Northeast India. See, there is always a feeling that Northeast India is aloof, cut off. Okay, and we are, whenever our brothers and sisters, they go out to Delhi or other places, they say ki we are not treated like Indians or maybe because we look different, we are. So basic idea is to basically say that yes, we are also as Indian as anyone else is. We are proud Indians and there is a integration. Apart from it, in terms of all the states, it's so much to describe in terms of tourism.
Okay.
So we will basically showcasing our tourism potential, which is Heathrow mainstream India has not seen. Even the place where you are sitting, this is basically a place which is 50%, where say half of Nongpo and half of from here. Shillong is not very far off. Nongpo is also not very far off. But this is also an unseen place. You may spend 2 days here to look at this functioning area. It's such a beautiful place. So such unknown places are plentiful in Guwahati.
सर मैं यही आपसे सवाल करने वाला था कि नॉर्थ ईस्ट तो लोग बहुत ही जानने को मतलब बहुत लोग अभी जानने जा रहे हैं या फिर जानते भी है, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ जगह है जैसे आपने अभी बोला उनको जानना है, उसको दिखाना है, तो थ्रू द रैली आई थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल.
It is very much possible. The idea is like we will have state-wise hosts for this rally. Like Meghalaya will be hosted by the people of Meghalaya, Assam will be hosted by people of Assam, and they will determine the course of the rally will be such that they will basically be showing something which is not seen. For example, you take the case of Assam. Like when we talk of wildlife, we talk about Kaziranga, but here we have Manas. We have Povithora. Now this really is basically going to showcase Manas and Povithora as an alternative to Kaziranga. Kaziranga is there. It will always be there. It is the biggest this thing, but in Assam. But the idea is to showcase Manas and Povithora also. Likewise, Tripura will showcase their own places which normally people do not see. For Meghalaya, when people comes, it is Shillong and Cherrapunji only. But here we are trying to showcase something else which is not covered under the डेली टूरिस्ट लैंडमार्क्स.
सर एडवेंचर्स के बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे कि उन लोगों को ये रैली ज्वाइन करना चाहिए, कितना उनके लिए?
बहुत 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 है, क्योंकि बेसिकली ये जो रूट जो चूज किया जाएगा, दिस इज बेसिकली विल बी बेसिकली रोड्स एंड ऑफ रोड बोथ. तो उनको बहुत सारा कुछ देखने मिलेगा जो नॉर्मल हाईवेज में नहीं दिखता है. वी विल बी टेकिंग लॉट ऑफ डिटूर्स एंड लॉट ऑफ ऑफ रोडिंग, स्पेशली फॉर यूथ्स. इट विल बी अ वेरी वेरी एन्चेंटिंग जर्नी फॉर देम. दे शुड ऑल कम एंड जॉइन अस. दिस इज माय रिक्वेस्ट टू ऑल द टूर youths across India to come and join this integration rally. This will be an integration. What our Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji says, ki basically Northeast is the Ashtalakshmi of India. So this is what we are going to do, and this is what is our basic idea.
So lastly मैं ये बोलना चाहूंगा नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंटीग्रेशन रैली का मीडिया पार्टनर विजुअल पॉइंट्स के बारे में आप क्या बोलेंगे?
Excellent job. Keep it up. Thank you.
Thank you so much.